Had paused my music, I got some music and good vibe going, working. Just got done welding this seat frame. I got this rear back of the seat finished last night. That's the frame painted, foam, steamed. Got the seat cover on there. Pretty good fit. It's a little loose, but she'll mold and settle nice. Alright, and the bottom steamed it also, so it's ready. And I'm out here painting the frame. Got one of the front seats apart. I wanted to show y'all that seat before I put it up out of the way. And express. I'm fixing to take both of these seats apart, but if you're doing this for the first time, I recommend leaving one together. Taking one seat apart, that way you can look at the other one when you go to put this one together as you're taking that one apart then. So it's pretty easy. 13, it's supposed to be a 1/2 inch, but I use 13 millimeter. Got 4 bolts there. This whole side comes off. 4 bolts on the tracks, they come off. And a Torx bolt there. He had a little bit of a thing. Mine just went blank. Work order, not a work order. The paperwork for the car under the seat. Why can't I think of the official name of it? But here's the hardware and the other part of the seat bottom. So I'm gonna clean all this up. And I'll come back later tonight and do a video showing how I installed the cover on this one. I gotta get out here and finish painting it before I lose the sunlight. So get the top side painted. And got some splotchy welds that I went all over, so they're held. I gotta work on my welding. So I'll flip that over and I have to get all the rust off of tracks, paint them, and I'm gonna paint the hinge too, so everything's nice and new looking. I'll go ahead and get all of them out and do everything at once like assembly line. Still gotta bend that back. Remember I mentioned it was twisted. I bent it just so that it would settle where I needed it to weld it. And I figured I could bend it back the rest of the way. Get that holding in the correct spot. Alright, yeah, that makes some more room again. Get this other one apart. I'll catch you on the next one with everything in pieces, and we'll put that one together. I need these hog rings over here. I'll be using these. Alright, till then, peace.